We believe that in every successful campaign, it will require local community participation. They will have a sense of belonging. So whatever we do, the people will help also to join in, put in their efforts. So it takes a whole nation approach to ensure that the revival, the urban renewal and the revival of our heritage building will require everyone's effort. So sustainability is not only commercially sustainable, we also have to make sure that it is also environmentally sustainable. What we do today will leave a long impression and a footprint for our future generation.
KL really welcome this kind of event and program such as KLAW. Today we can activate spaces in Kuala Lumpur, and we are very much welcome this kind of activities. Will bring people to explore, especially the tourists and also the local people.